The Asus ROG Phone 6 Ultimate is a new smartphone that is scheduled for release in India on January 22, 2023. Expected. The specs of the mobile phone are sufficient and above average. It is speculated that it would be sold for a minimum of 79,948 rupees. The rumored 6,000 mAh battery inside the Asus ROG Phone 6 Ultimate will let you to play games, listen to music, watch movies, and more for extended periods of time without having to worry about the battery draining too quickly. Android V11. This rumored Asus phone reportedly has 18 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage space. Thus, you won't have to fret about storage space when you load up your phone with media like as music, films, games, and more. In addition, you can expect an Octa-core 1x2.84 GHz Kryo 680 and 3x2.42 GHz Kryo 680 and 4x1.80 GHz Kryo 680 CPU, which will allow you to run many programs simultaneously and play games with demanding graphics without any lag. When it comes to photography, rumors have it that Asus's next phone will just have a single camera on the back. Digital zoom, auto flash, face identification, and touch to focus are among features that may be included on the secondary camera. It's been said that the phone would have a 6.78-inch, 17.22 cm screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, perfect for playing games or viewing movies. Wi-Fi yes, Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth yes, version 5.2, and 5G supported by device, network not rolled out in India. 4G, supports Indian bands, 3G. 2G are some of the possible connection features of the Asus ROG Phone 6 Ultimate. Additionally, the smartphone may include sensors such as an accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass. It's been said that the Asus ROG Phone 6 Ultimate would measure in at 172.8 mm in width, 77.3 mm in height, and 10.3 mm in thickness, and will weigh around 238 grams. As with its predecessors, the Asus ROG Phone 6 proves to be a worthwhile flagship investment that guarantees a top-tier user experience. There is a powerful battery setup inside, according to the manufacturer, so you may use it for hours on end. If you value having a high-quality camera, a powerful processing system, and beautiful display, this device is perfect for you. Investigate strength and toughness. Camera and screen. The AMOLED display on the Asus ROG Phone 6 is 6.78 inches in size, and is covered by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. The device's bezel-less display has a 20:9 aspect ratio, 395 ppi pixel density, and 1080 by 2448 pixel resolution. A 50MP primary camera, 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and 5MP macro camera are housed on the device's back by Asus. The rear camera supports a variety of useful features, including continuous shooting, face detection, HDR mode, LED flash, touch to focus, and digital zoom. There's a huge 12-megapixel camera perfect for taking group selfies. Affecting the battery and configuration. The Asus ROG Phone 6 has an octa-core single-core 3.2 GHz, tri-core 2.75 GHz, and quad-core 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Thanks to its 12 GB of RAM and Adreno 730 GPU, this computer guarantees a fluid and responsive user experience. The battery is able to provide power for the gadget since it has a capacity of 6,000 mAh. There is a 65W hypercharging mechanism built inside